Hey everyone, and welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're diving into the Hugging Face Open Source AI Year in Review 2024, exploring the community's favorite models from 2022 to now. It's shaping up to be a really interesting discussion.
I am excited.
I've been keeping an eye on the Hugging Face community, and the growth has been phenomenal. Where should we start?
Let's begin with the Hugging Face space itself. It's an interactive tree map visualization at https://spaces/hugging-face/open-source-ai-year-and-review-2024 .. It's a fantastic way to visually grasp the popularity of different models. Each block represents a model, its size shows download numbers, and the color indicates its function, like NLP or computer vision.
That sounds really useful for quickly getting a sense of the overall landscape. What are some of the major takeaways from looking at that data?
Well, the large language models like Meta, Llama 3-8B, and its variants are still huge players, highlighting their continued impact. We also see image generation models like Stable Diffusion remaining incredibly popular, truly transforming how we interact with and create images.
That's not surprising. But what's really interesting to me is what you mentioned about a shift towards smaller models. That seems like a pretty big change.
It is. We're seeing a definite trend towards smaller, more efficient models. They're more accessible and require less computing power, making them ideal for broader applications, from mobile devices to edge computing. This democratization of AI is a game changer.
It makes AI more inclusive, right? What about the community aspect? I know Hugging Face is all about that.
Absolutely. The space highlights community engagement through likes and download counts. It's not only about cutting-edge models. It's about models that are actively used and valued by the community. It's a great representation of what truly resonates.
So, let's summarize the key findings. We've seen the continued dominance of LLMs like Meta, Llama 3-8B, the lasting popularity of Stable Diffusion, the exciting rise of smaller, more accessible models, and the importance of community engagement in shaping the landscape.
Exactly. The Hugging Face space provides a powerful snapshot of the year in open source AI, demonstrating the dynamic nature of the field and its continuous evolution.
It's fascinating to see how this ecosystem is developing and the clear impact of community feedback and collaboration. Thanks for walking us through this. It's been really insightful.
My pleasure. Remember to check out the Hugging Face space for yourself. We'll see you next time for another deep dive into the world of AI.